For the simulation we have a shortcut. If you press it, it's a 3D simulation, so if you press on the blue button you can change every view that you want to see. These 3 buttons is for other views. To start the simulation, press on play. It's asking, can I start facing roughening with the outside turning tool? Yes, and it will start. The tool is coming and he's making now the contour that we have programmed. With these buttons you can speed up or slow down the simulation. The simulation is easy to use to see if the contour is okay, yes or not. This is the last finishing cut. And it's asking for the second tool. It's the outside threading tool. We press on OK. The tool is changed. We speed the simulation a little bit up. Below you see the time that it needs to process it. Outside grooving tool. You will find it's made less than 3 minutes. The simulation was okay, so we closed the simulation. Now we are ready to set the tool on 0 and start your project.